What's up, everybody? Coming to you with an update on the price on Kaspa. Kaspa is pulling back, dropping down, and we're going to get over and look at the charts. Right here, we just come to you just straight up, with the truth, not pumping or dumping a token. We just here just to give you the facts. We hold Kaspa here. I hold Kaspa. I'm a strong believer in Kaspa. It has a lot of potential. Great project, but we're showing some downward pressure. We're down today 2.20%. We're sitting in a price of 0.0253. Right now, we at a critical level of support at the 250. The 2.5 cent marker where we liquidated back over here. What worries me about this chart is this liquidation spike that you see over here on the far left that happened October the 10th. Now, many of you could say, oh, we're not going to go that low. Well, you'd have told me the same thing on October the 10th when we was up here at 7.5 cents. There's no way. There's no way. Well, I'm here to tell you there is a probable chance that we could go back and retest this spike over here. Kaspa is trying to stay up, to hold up. But if we lose this area over here, this 2.5 cent, well, we're just coming down lower, y'all. I'm not coming not to bring no bearish news. I'm just bringing you the cold hard truth on the channel. You could probably get people to say, oh, we're fixing to bounce, we're fixing to shoot to the moon, but I'm not going to do that. Do that here on the channel. There is some buying absorption going on the price. If you could see right here, price from here has been going down since around October the 8th. Let me get back over here, and I just wanted to bring you this. So, where's August 8th? So we's right here. If you'll see this on the CVD, we're making higher lows. This is while you get over here and the price is steady coming down. You got CVD pushing up. That right there is hidden bullish divergence. Okay, I wanted to bring that to your attention. There is people buying Kaspa at this price, and they continuing on. The problem is that you got more sellers than you do buyers right now. Futures are in the negative. Price is still coming down. Less negative than we were back over here around August 11th to 12th. This is on the 1 hour chart. We see a little rally here coming up about this negative, but the sellers are in control right now. If you look at the MACD, it's pointing straight down, people. This MACD has crossed under the signal line on the 1 hour chart, and we're headed straight down. Histogram is heavily in the red, and right now it's continuing to sell off. Now, I'm not telling you to go. Don't sell your Kaspa. Just hold. It's going. But I'm not coming to tell you that we're going to hit that low over there. But there is a possibility. I want to let you know. Once you see a liquidation in the market and it drops like this, usually, and what you don't necessarily all the time come here on like October spike. That's right below a penny. That's 0.0873. Let me draw you a line right there. I don't want to see Kaspa there. I've already started dollar cost and average in on Kaspa right here. Right here where we at 3 and 2.5 cents. I don't want to see that. to be frank with you. Because where we at right now, no, that one, is that right? Yeah, that was right. Because right now, what in the world? Man, right now that would be another somewhere around 65% drop. And I just don't. We need to hold this critical level right here. Where what everybody telling you, I don't know, but right here, 2.5 cents. This is a critical level of support to hold. If we don't, we're gonna start slowly bleeding down. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not cutting no shortcuts. I'm just being straight up and honest as I can be. We lose this area, we are going lower. Because right now, let me show you. I got the support and resistance chart pulled up on, and nowhere that I could tell, nowhere I got that line there. That's because that's where we don't have nothing. See, we could come down this right here, this 2.5. If we lose this level right here, it's a better visible on the 1 hour chart. The 250. If we lose this support, we're going lower, and it could not be good. I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm going to leave that right there. But it looks like this, because we done fell out the fib up here, and we down below the negative 618 and steady bleeding down. We had a little support right here where it's at right now. But I'm telling you, if we fall down here and we lose this support, we could be faced to go below 2 cents, somewhere at 2 cents or a little bit lower on the chart. But there's no argument about it. There are people buying Kaspa. You can see it on the chart. Pretty sharp upward movement right here. People buying Kaspa. You can see it. It's right there, visible. But what scares me, you got more sellers than you do buyers. People are accumulating, but the sellers are in control right now. The sellers, look here. The RSI tells you this. The RSI, we're making lower highs and lower lows. And we fixing, and it's coming down, and we just now fixing to get in the overbought zone, the heavy overbought zone. So it's not looking good. It's not looking good. And you could say, well, we down here at the bottom of the stochastic. Well, we got to get a bounce. Well, you did get a bounce over here, but you stayed in the bottom down here. You stayed down here in the bottom 3 bounces before you rallied back up. And guess what? We're back down here again. And it's coming down. It don't look good for Kaspa. I'm just being honest with you. Until these sellers get exhausted, and you don't see it on the RSI. I'm not seeing it. No type of reversal on the RSI. Nothing. We had an area to bounce on the RSI. But right now, you can see that RSI on the 1 hour chart. It's up, down, up, down. Right now, you got sellers and buyers at war right now. And be honest, I'd like to get Kaspa a whole lot quicker, cheaper, but I know a lot of y'all out there hold this price. Y'all holding Kaspa at a much higher price than what it is right now. So for the benefit of y'all, I don't want to see Kaspa hold. The better it holds up in this bear market, the stronger the chance that it has to make its all-time, reach its all-time highs before and go higher let me see what I don't know what the high was for Kaspa. I don't know. I think it was somewhere around 21 cents. But that spike right there is what scares me. It really scares me. See, because everywhere you got a spike, y'all. Look, you had a spike back here. You went back up. You consolidated. You come back down. Look, you went past that spike. You bounced back up. Didn't you have another liquidation spike right here? You push back up. Guess what? You come right back down, and you went past that spike. And then on October the 10th, the only thing that looks pretty well decent on this chart is like it held this spot right where it's at right now. This is where it was at earlier on February the 6th. February 5th, 6th, we're right here at this area we're at right now. But that's 0090088. That's another 65%. I'm not saying it's going to go there, but more than likely, most of the time, y'all, being honest with you, it's time to see where the Army's at. If we can hold this line. Just as soon as my wife gets back, I'm going to try to hold this line. I'm going to buy some more. I'm being honest with you. And I'm not telling them, I'm not a financial advisor, but you can see it plain as day on this chart. We was coming down, and it's kind of flattening out right now. But there's always that chance, y'all. There's always that chance that it could be a quick liquidation spike down there and hit it again and bounce back up. But I'm just being honest with you. I'm just being honest with you. It's down today. Let me get back over here on Trading View. 2.08% today down. But I'm hoping, but we got a lot more resistance above us than we got support below us. I'm being honest with you. I'm not sugarcoating nothing. Volume's in the red down there, low volume, but everything low on that volume is red. Well, it's a little bit red. But see all down there? That's red. You got 1 hour that you had green. That was that spike right back. That spike back up right there. But look what we're doing. It's just getting hammered. I haven't searched the news today to see if anything negative come out on Kaspa. I don't think nothing did. But I'm telling you, I look over here and I see tokens just bleeding. And what's so bad about it? What don't make sense? You got the VIX is down almost 5% on the day. It's sitting at 14.5. And these alts are just getting bled out. ZBEC down almost 3%. XLM down to 1.5%. It's under 16 cents now. It's in 15.9 cents. Cat Network is down almost 2%. XRP's down to 1.34%. XRP fitting to go up under $1 and gonna hold up under $1 too. It's fixing to drop under $1 and it ain't coming above that dollar till probably we get back from this bear market. I'm gonna be honest with you. You could see it token drop to 70 or 80 cents because they just keep bleeding. And look, this is the rotation. I'm telling you, Bitcoin is at $63,500. It's down 0.03%, just like Ethereum. They holding the Ethereum up 0.24%. you seeing a rotation out of these alts in the Bitcoin and Ethereum and other precious metals and stocks. That's the only thing it can be, is the rotation. Is a rotation. People telling you they ain't buying Bitcoin, they buying Bitcoin. Safest asset right now in the crypto market to be in, Bitcoin and really Ethereum. I'd have to say Solana, but right now, I don't even know what Solana's down. It's only down 0.5%. It's holding the range pretty good. It came back, that trend line broke out above it, come back and retested it, and it's consolidating. It is consolidating, it did make, a lower low and a little slightly lower high from where it broke out above that trend line. But to be honest with you, I don't like coming on here. This is the main reason I've been making videos on Kaspa on what projects and improvements it's been doing to the blockchain. I hate to come on here and then somebody get on here to comment this story time again. Man, I muted them. Nobody wants to hear negative news. I can't come on here and tell you this crypto's going to pump when it ain't. We are getting a bounce right now, a little green candle right now on Kaspa. But I didn't come here to give you, to pull your day down or anything like that. I just come with you with the cold hard truth. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good for Kaspa right now until we see a turnaround in this market. So that's my TA on it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I ain't gonna hide it from you. Just dollar cost average in. There's a strong possibility I do believe there's a 98% to 95% we go to that liquidation spike. They usually go to them liquidation spots, to be honest with you. So, but we need to hold support. We need to hold support right now, right where we're at, in all honesty. So if you like the content, you probably don't now, but subscribe to the channel. We just bring it here to you real, and this ain't got nothing to do with no Clarity Act or not getting passed. This is the crypto bear market. Whatever people tell you, the narrative that crypto's dumping because of the Clarity Act, they'll lie, turn them off. That ain't got nothing to do with what's going on right now. Ain't got nothing to do with it. It's just the bear market. If you was here last bear market, you know this. You know it was the same way. And if this is your first time being in a bear market, just understand this the typical bear market. This is what happens in a bear market. Just be careful. I seen some crazy stuff last night on the YouTube on these content creators going after one another. One guy brought some stuff out on another guy, and I was like, I thought something was fishy about him, and he brought it out. He was attacking him, and he came back on there, and he took the gloves off, and he let him have it bad. You hear me? He let him have it bad. He exposed a lot of stuff about this guy, and you search the internet, you search the tube, you'll find it. Just be careful. Be careful who you follow, who you join, and be careful buying these indicators and stuff like that. You learn how to trade, you don't need them indicators. So, hit that subscribe button. Watch these videos all the way through. I bring to you. Help me get monetized for February the 1st. We'll see you on the next one. And I say God bless you all. Till the next time.